Hey, have a look at this amazing MIG welder that can be set up as an ordinary MIG welder or as a gasless flux core wire welder, simply by reversing polarity. So last time I showed you this amazing tool that converts an ordinary angle grinder into a metal chop saw. The episode before that, I showed you my bench model blasting cabinet. And today on Repairs 101, I'm going to put it all together to make a wall hanging for my workshop. So with the polarity reversed, welding with a flux core wire is more or less the same as a stick welder, except it has the convenience of automatic wire feed. I hate to break it to you, but you're not going to learn a complex skill like welding by watching a 3-minute video. It's an art form that takes a lifetime to master. But with this machine, you can be laying beads and stacking dimes on day one. Alright, now I'll tell you straight up, this machine is rated for mild steel and stainless welding. Now, tool steel is by no means mild, so I'm not going to get a really good certifiable weld. Just enough penetration to hold, I hope. Slag can be chipped, wire brushed, needle scaled, or ground, or grinded. I don't know, I think it's pretty cool. It's kind of like an old-fashioned coat of arms. Tell me what you think in the comments section below. Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and if you've got a minute, please leave a comment or a like or a thumbs up or whatever you got. I'd appreciate it, alright? Thanks. Have a great day.